Good morning. All right. Put the music on. Let's put some music on there, huh? Where's your music? Where's your music? All right. This is Tim Trades, NASDAQ, Futures. Today is Thursday, August 7th, 2025. 6:18 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are going to be trading the NASDAQ futures market here live. Typically take a trade after 6:29 a.m. and within the first couple minutes of the market. First couple minutes of the market open, we typically have taken a trade. I have an indicator I've turned into a strategy on Tradingview that will print these green lines and red lines, and if it closes above the green line or if it closes below the red line, it has a little indicator to get in long above the green line and short below the red line. Looking for 13 points. We have a 35-point stop loss. Just trading one contract, 50K account. All right, so we have $51,697 in this account. I need to get this account to $52,600 in order to qualify for next payout. I had a couple loser days, so it's taking a little longer. All right, we'll be taking a trade in about 8 to 7 minutes. I'm using Apex Trader funding accounts. I do have a promotion code where you get the best discount possible. Right now it's 80% off. Use promotion code TIM at apextraderfunding.com and get the best discount possible. This is not financial advice. Trade at your own risk. We're listening to The Wearing on SoundCloud, a project me and my brother did. Alrighty then, 6:23 a.m. Gonna be looking for a trade in about 6 minutes. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps more than you may realize. Like, comment, subscribe. Use coupon code TIM at apextraderfunding.com. I have the most success with these 50K accounts. I have passed in the past almost every other account. Just recently, you can look back a couple weeks ago, I passed a 300K account, but I've squandered that away. All right, 6:25 a.m. Let's see what the volatility of the market is right now. We're 18s. The volatility is coming down. I think it was yesterday. It was up to 20 or 21 or something like that. So the volatility is coming down. 18's okay. 18's okay. I prefer tinge more. A tinge more. Lights are bright. First thing in the morning. Like, comment, subscribe. After we take this first trade that I have on my... So I'm taking a trade over here in the right window, but I also have a computer off this screen where I take another trade because I haven't set up the multiple account copy trader through Tradovate. I'm thinking about going over to the wealth charts, switching my accounts over to wealth chart, or slowly building up wealth charts accounts so that I can copy trade with the ATM strategy. Why don't you just do the copy trading and do the manual take profit and stop loss? Because I've back tested the strategy and it needs to be very specific to the take profit and stop loss that I have set. And so some of these trades are literally 1 second long. I do not have time to set a take profit and stop loss. Okay, 1 minute before market opens. Look alive. Market is going down. Going down. There's my ATM settings. Take profit 13, stop loss 35. One contract. Okay, and we are green lit to trade. Looking for trade. Where are you, trader? The screen on the left is Tradingview. It's gonna give me my signals to buy or sell. There's a little bit of pre-warning, so I'll try to call out the levels when they pop up. Sometimes there's not much of a warning, it's just boom, it's there. Okay, there it is, 23,601. If it closes above that line, we're going long. 23,601, we're going long. Okay, we're going short right here if it passes this red line. If it closes below the red line, has it closed above or below? It's a pretty tight squeeze here. Looks like we're gonna go long, maybe. We're long.
Order filled.
We are long.
Order filled.
Need a pump up. Need a push up. Gotta quickly win against this there. Yesterday was a winner. The day before that was a loser. This strategy has, in the couple months ago, has had a pattern of a winner, loser, winner, loser. So hopefully today's not in that pattern, but we get a winner. Okay, it looks like I'm thinking this is going to be a winner because it's not pumping down. It's kind of holding there, so I'm thinking it's going to go up. Let's hope so. Need a push up. I'm just going to maximize this so I can manage the trade a little bit better here. Come on, need a push up. Push up. Push, 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 push. Having these bigger take profits of 13 points sits you in the trade for a lot longer. So we're sitting in the drawdown for quite a ways here. I don't like that. Need to maybe do a back test of, okay, there we go, pushing up. Okay, we should get another push up because it sat down in the red for such a long time. It should.
Order filled.
Yep, one more little push.
Order
okay.
filled.
Got it. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Jesus. Double whammy. We got it. We got it, folks. We did it. It's weird, though. So that was a $260 before commission and a $250. Oh, weird. You guys don't see that down there. There we go. Here, we'll do this. Performance. Move your head, Tim. Okay, performance. 256 points. Let's do back to June 9th. That's just for day. Custom range, June 9th to today. Today. We've made a total of $4,300 and $4,345. Win rate is 88%. Okay, we're in the groove now, folks. We just need to get this account above 52,600. So we need roughly 900. No, wait. $700. We need roughly $650. So that's 2, 4, 3 more days. 3 more days. So if Friday, Monday, and Tuesday are all winners, then at the end of Tuesday, we can request another payout. Okay. This is my new funded account. Also took the trade in that account and got $250. So today, in 2 different funded accounts, a total of $512 of money that is possibly mine if I don't blow the account. So that's nice. That'd be nice. All right. I have this other evaluation here. Need to get going. Need to get this. It's gonna be the start of something special. At the price, we need that to be 15.25. Okay. I'm gonna save this as 15 and 15. Okay, I might try to take a stab at this eval here. What do we got here? Okay, we got a flag forming right here. Boom. Right there. What is the market doing historically real quick? Okay, market is up today. It's a pullback. 1, 2. We're in a breakout. We're moving up. We are moving up. Double breakout. Okay, move my head. Get my head out of the way. So we're looking for this flag. Okay, we got the swing high, swing low, break of the flag. I like to get in at this break right here, which is right there.
Order filled.
Take a stab up. Needs to push up with no pullback. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, snuckle. I'm gonna trail it pretty hard because I don't have much drawdown here.
Stop filled.
Okay. That's just $300. Did it pull back that much? Oh my god, and it's still going. What is this? It's only for $300? Oh my gosh. We got ripped off there, folks. Well, we blew that. We could have had a past account. A horrible fill. Yep, it would have passed. Tim, why don't you just have some patience? That was a perfect flag. The first pullback is the best pullback. Would have passed that account. Lame. Chickened out. Chickened out. Chickened out. That was just bad all around. Because it's the drawdown that I was trying to manage. Okay, got another flag possibly going here. Yeah, it's pumping up again. Look at that pump up. Got in perfect. I got in at just the right time because when the pullback did not go all the way back against me, but okay, Tim, get over it. Don't beat yourself up over it, Tim. Tim, there's gonna be another trade. Gonna be another trade today. So that played fair because it had the 2-bar. See, here's the swing low and then 1 2-bar explosion, and then it took off. That's my trade. That's the trade I like to take. Wow, look at that pullback coming back to our original entry point. I mean, we would have been out already. We would have taken profit at 15 points. Lame. Look at that pullback. Look at that pullback. All that profit just lost. Some people probably held through that. I don't. It's crazy. That is one of the crazy things about this NASDAQ market is like, who can hold that? I mean, you have to do like a micro E-mini or just one contract. Maybe one contract you can hold through that, but you definitely can't have a trailing stop loss. Apex trade stop loss. It's okay. I love you. You are my employer. I'm not, you can't say I'm sponsored, but I am a funded trader with Apex. And so I have gotten payouts. So it does work. Their trailing stop loss is the hardest rule to manage, but it's okay. You get that account little window balance up there and you kind of see what it's doing. Just don't like this huge pullback. I wonder if they took that. I wonder if PW took that. Oh, look at that. See, now they did this yesterday. We had this pullback below the, here's the start of the market right here. Open the market. So we're now officially down on the day. I was hoping it was going to maybe bounce off of this line and make it a true support, but looks like it's not respecting it, folks. No respect. Okay, no respect. Broke that line, just shattered it. Where's VWAP? Oh, VWAP's way down here. So it's pulling back to VWAP. I don't want to do a VWAP trade. Dang it. Holy moly, did he just hold through all of that? PW's looking for a short. What? Oh no. Okay. This is nasty. So this is not like clear action just because you don't know. You don't know. It's because it was trending up here. You see, all of this was looking relatively nice. And a huge pullback, kind of diddly-dallied. Respect the line once, then break through it. This actually would have been like, well, that, really. So really it broke through it, pulled back for resistance, and then tanked down. But I like to play the 2 bars after rule. Something like that. Okay, we're breaking up. Maybe I get in on a pullback here. Maybe I get in on this break.
Order filled.
Okay. Come on. No.
Order filled.
So I needed to take that just to reset my drawdown. So that was a 1600. Why isn't this? How much was that? Okay, so that put me at 1600 on the day. Okay, positive 1100 in the account. Just couldn't be too greedy with that. Okay, it looks like it maybe would have been a winner. No, wouldn't have hit a winner yet. It would have got me out because this pullback right here would have been too much drawdown. So that was a good call, Tim. Yeah, that pullback. This pullback right here is a little too much. That trailing drawdown's the hardest thing to manage. All right, I'm gonna call that a win. $1,600 in a day is pretty good. Still need $2,000 more to pass that evaluation. Ah, look at that pump up. It's getting tossed around like a rag doll. Honey. Where's my total account? Okay, $51,146.30. So I need another roughly $2,000. Whoa. What was that? What was that? Crazy, look at that. Wild. I mean, that just moved up 5, 10, 20, 30 points. Quick 30-point bump. It's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Wild and crazy guys. So normally when it does something like that, I say that's like a true trend line area. There's a lot of tension there. I don't know. So this is indicating a long position. This is the first signal of the 1 minute chart. Let's take a mock trade here. £8, huh? We want 15. We want the 15. Will it go higher before it goes lower? So this was just a fake out pullback. See that? Here's the opening market right here. trending up, pull back, fake out, slingshot to the top side. I think we did something similar to that yesterday. Something similar. Okay, I'm gonna take a win today. Just gonna do a win all around. Got 2 profitable trades in 2 funded accounts, and then a third evaluation. Got $1,600. So we're just gonna, and then kind of reset the drawdown on that sim account. So. Okay, that's my 7 o'clock alarm. I gotta go to work. I got a 9 to 5. I'm not independent yet from the grind, okay? Got a 9 to 5. Got a family, I got a kid, I got a newborn. I got a wife, 5-year-old daughter, 3-year-old daughter, and a newborn daughter. I got bills to pay, man. I got a mortgage. Okay. Car payment. Gotta go make some money. Hopefully one day soon I will be making enough money trading where I don't need to work as many hours during the day or at all. In order to really make that happen, I probably need to pay off my mortgage and my car payment, and then have a nice little cushion in case you hit some rough spots in the market. You probably realistically need, I mean, they always say 6-month emergency funds, but when you're trading, you probably need like 12 months. So you need to be able to not work for a whole year and cover all your base expenses. So it's probably a good place, because you don't want to be at a place where you're stressing out about the trading. Psychologically can be fatiguing and draining. Okay, so that would have been a 15-point winner if we would have taken that first signal, that break signal. See how pumped up, and then pumped up almost 20 points. Yeah, pumped up 20 points and then tanked down. So that would have been a winner. Okay, today is a winning day. Let's have another winning day until Tuesday so we can get another real money payout. Have a good day. Trade responsibly. Look at some of my other videos. I did a live video 2 nights ago in the night market where I kind of did some deep analyzing of the bear flag, bull flag pattern. Worth watching. I think it's only a 30-minute video or less. But yeah, that flag formation seems to work pretty good. At least the first couple bear flag of the day, 2 to 3, maybe 4 of the day work. The best one is always the first one. So potentially that could be a strategy where you just play that first flag of the day, bear flag or bull flag. Bear is a short position. Bull flag is a long position. All right. Peace. I guess we can just quickly say what the bear flag, bull flag. Okay, so here, right here. The first flag of the day is roughly right here. So I have the swing high, swing low indicator. Oh, you can't see that. I have the swing high, swing low indicator on right here. Let's just maximize that. Swing high, swing low indicator on. And so here's market open right here. Boom, it goes down. 2 bars later, it prints the swing low position. And then here, pumps up here. 2 bars later, it prints a swing high position. I like to let 2 bars go by. So today's kind of a good day in the way I trade. 2 bars go by, prints a new swing low. 2 bars go by, 1, 2 right here. That's the sets the trend line right there. The break of this, you can either say the high of this bar or the break of this bar. You go long, boom, you get yourself your 15 points, 10 contracts, and you pass an evaluation. Boom, right there. Next trade, swing high, huge pullback, just stupid. You could say this line was most likely here after that swing low. You could say, okay, it breaks this line here. Let's look for a short position down to VWAP. Could do that. What would that look like? Here. This is an aggressive move because the second bar is massive. It doesn't even print a swing high, swing low, so I probably wouldn't take that. I'd probably look here. Here's a swing high, then you look for a swing low, then you look for a swing high, but the swing high never happens. It just keeps pumping up here. So then in that case, you wouldn't be looking for any more lows. So the market pumps up. You got, I think we took a position somewhere in here. There's really not even a trade in here. Oh, right here. So I mean, you could say, okay, this is swing down. Doesn't wait 2 bars. 1, 2. Kind of does. But the pullback is too deep. I have to replay the video. I don't know why I took that trade. Other than it was just breaking this line here. Could say, okay, here's the pullback. Let's put the line here. To imagine all this is not there yet. Get a pullback, false break, bigger pullback, and pump. Once that false breaks hits, you can move that line there. And then you'd say, okay, well, that's a pretty big aggressive move to the upside. Let's get some more of that momentum. Look for the break of the highs of the day. I don't know. You know what? Did I do it down here? I need to look back and see where I took the trade. But if you do here, you have to swing down 1, 2, set it here, hit the break. This is probably where I'd be more likely to be confidently get in. Right here. VWAP is acting as like a price likes to go back to VWAP. It likes to hover around VWAP, but it also bounces off of it a lot. So kind of like a trampoline. It's kind of like support and resistance. Huge pullback. Pushing up.
break there. So, anyway, now it's just kind of getting sloppy over here. That's why I typically don't trade past 7 a.m. Plus, I gotta go to work. That is the true line, because I'm thinking swing low, count two. Okay, here's the break. It's a false break. Pumps down. Okay, I'm going to move my line back here. Line like that. Another swing low here, count two. Boom, boom. There's my two. Never breaks that point. Keeps falling down. So that's the line. It's it respected this line a little bit, tanking back down towards VWAP. Not playing the fairest. Not the fairest of them all. Delete these lines because I don't need them tomorrow. These lines will be brand new. This line might play the same. I'm just going to delete it. All right. Good stuff. See you guys tomorrow, 6:20, 6:15-ish a.m.-ish, and we'll go from there. If you're still trading, think about not trading unless you have a strategy that likes this market conditions. I don't. All right. Peace be with you.